Hey, my people. Today I decided to take you along this lovely road. The skies are so blue, so have a guess where I'm headed to. And kindly stay tuned to the end of the video so that you can see where I'll be going. Today will be really interesting because
Let's go.
we're going to watch wildlife, we're going to watch sunset, chase sunset. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like, tell a friend to tell a friend, and share this YouTube. Let's grow it to 2000 before next year, God willing. So I hope you all enjoy. Leave your comments. Let me know what you all think about all these adventures and the places I've plugged you. If you really like them, if you've ever been in those places or where we're headed right now. But I just want to know if you can guess where I'm headed right now. Enjoy, guys. I hope you like this adventure. This one is really interesting one.
Cause you were mine. 'Cause 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 you
'Cause you were mine. Because you were mine. You wanted next to me. What I got is memories. You brought out the best in me. Because you were mine.